Hello, beautiful people. Such a beautiful sunset. It's going on around. Yes, but guys, we are in tough times in this side of the world. So just keep us in your prayers. I know you watch news, so you know already what is going on. Yeah, we've got tough times, but thanks to God we are doing great. Everything is amazing. Yeah, I know I've been away for a while, but you guys don't worry, don't worry, something is cooking up. So I hope you guys, you are okay wherever you are, and things that you guys are doing, they are going great. Same to me, whatever I'm doing, it's going great. Actually, I've been busy for the last 1 month. I've been super busy. Yes, but I'm not complaining. I'm doing great. I'm just here in the gym. I want to do my evening workout because sometimes I do morning workouts if I'm in the closing shift. But if I'm in the morning shift, I do evening workout. Just like now, I want to do some evening workout here, and also I want to sunbask in this evening sun. This evening sun is not that hot, though now we are in summertime here. And summertime here, it can be a little bit crazy. The temperature can reach up to 45 to 46 degrees. So I want to hit the gym. This is how the gym looks like. For my returning subscribers, they already know this place, the gym. And then later on, I'm gonna hit the pool. Yeah, I'm gonna hit the pool. Let me go outside, I show you the pool. And this is my favorite machine for working out. This is my favorite machine for working out. Yeah, let me show you. For example, you see my arm? Yes, this machine hits it differently. Hey. Anyway, guys, how have you been? Yeah, it's been a while. I miss YouTube. I miss vlogging. But time, I don't have the time. But I'm trying to create the time. Let me show you. Let me show you the swimming pool. Every day we get new subscribers. So some of you don't know. Actually, today I'll not show you the other side. I have my own reasons. I'll not show you beyond the swimming pool. Yeah, but yes, this is how the swimming pool looks like. And on the other side, you can see it's the sea. And this is me. Yeah, so I wanna hit the gym. Then after hitting the gym, I'll swim here. Then after swimming, I'll see how the days go. And then here, if you have your friends, you can do some barbecue. Wow, I miss the old good days, whereby we would come here and do some barbecue. The stove gas here. If you want to cook some ugali, there is nothing great than nyama choma and ugali. Yeah, so guys, yeah, this is how it looks like. So let me hit the gym, then we continue with the video. Please give this video a like. This side, give this video a like. If this is the first time you're coming across my video, consider subscribing. My name is Amir. On YouTube, it's _Amir. That's my new name. So give this video a like. Yes. Yeah. So guys, I'm done with workout. I'm going to the market. I need to buy some supplies, some little supplies. So yeah, I decided to continue the vlog from outside. For the returning subscribers, for sure they've seen. I have videos, guys, whereby I'm working out. You can go check out my old videos if you haven't. I have a lot of videos, by the way. That's the funniest thing. I have more than 200 videos, so you can go and you can check them out, and you will come across one of the videos, yeah, that I was working out. Actually, I think it was a live video that I was working out. So you can go, you can check out that video, and you will be able to see, because I didn't record the session. But yes, I feel great. I feel light. Yeah, I feel really good, And I've missed vlogging. Actually I was supposed to go through that side, but I said let me go through this side, then I'll go on the corner like that, because I'm going to a mini shop. So here they call them cold store. When I was in Qatar, they used to call it bakala. Bakala was the name. So you know, every place the name is different. Yeah. And here, guys, this is how taxis look like this. This is a Nissan. Yeah, that's how taxis looks like. And here, this is just my neighborhood. I'm just walking in my neighborhood. You see how the sun is good, you know. This is just my neighborhood. Guys, we are really in you know, some things you cannot talk about, but we are really in a really dying times. Is it dying times or trying times? Oh, trying times, yes. Yeah, we are really in trying times, but yeah, we believe we are protected by God, so all is gonna be well. So see, this is how the place looks like. So I'm going to that mini market. Actually, I was supposed to use the other side, but I decided to go through this side so that at least I can show you guys how this place looks like. And you see how the streets are clean, you know, clean streets. And this is what I'm wearing. Champali. I call them champali. How do you call them? Flip-flops, or how do you call these shoes? For me, I call them champali. Champali. What a weird name. Yes. So should I go? Okay, I can go this side, then straight, or let me go this side. Yeah, this is better. And the buildings here, they are amazing. You know, I've been showing you guys this area. Most of you know about this area. This area, the buildings are amazing, and inside the buildings are really beautiful. You know, I wish I could have gotten the opportunity to just do a video about real estate here, you know, about the houses, how they look like, the cost, you know. But you know, I have to get somebody who can decide to take me through different places and explain to me different prices, you know. And if you like, for example, if you want to own the place, like, or if you want to stay in the place, what's the requirement and all this. But it's very hard. So for that one, you need connections. But with time, we will be able to get somebody who's gonna take us around, and we're gonna explore all these buildings. You know, you see all these beautiful buildings over here. We're gonna explore them, and we're gonna check the prices, and we're gonna check, you know, different amenities that come with it. Yeah, and that's a great thing. So yes, guys, yeah, this is me. I do apologize to my subscribers, you know, yeah, for not putting videos out there, you know, but it's circumstances. But all is gonna be okay. But everything is okay. So sometimes, you know, it takes a while. Sometimes it takes even a month, sometimes 2 months, sometimes 3 months, sometimes 4 months, sometimes 6 months. You know, it just depends on the situation on hand. But I do believe everything is gonna fall into place, and all will be well. So I have reached in that small mini market. Yeah, that small mini market is over here. So I'm just gonna buy the supplies that I want, then I'm gonna continue with the video. Please give this video a like, you know. Yeah, see the sun behind me. Amazing. It's really amazing. Beautiful. Wow. So let me go inside this. Actually, it's in the building. Let me go inside, then I'll get back to you. Oh guys, so yeah, I'm done. I bought whatever I want to buy. See the sun behind me. So I'm using a different route. I came with the other route, so I'm using this route. This is a different route, so that at least I can make this video long. Yeah, I have my items here that I wanted to buy. my supplies. So yes guys, so like I said, everything is great. It's only that I've been a little bit preoccupied of late, and I was unable to produce some videos because of time, you know, because of working hours. So, and when I get home, I'm a little bit exhausted, you know. And you know guys, YouTube, it needs a lot of energy, you know. You need to have a lot of energy. You need to be vibrant. You need to be active, you know, because YouTube is very funny. You know, the way I'm talking to this camera over here, if you want to record good videos, you have to like talk as if you're speaking with someone in front of you. So this is how it applies. It's like you're see this place. I really love this place. And you know, this is a real it's a real plant. Okay, so like I was saying, for YouTube, it's like you're talking to somebody, you know, only a person, one person. So when you record this video, you just have to talk to one person. And when you talk to one person, because when you're watching the video, you watch it as an individual, you watch it alone. So when you watch it alone, I have to make a video whereby I can relate with you. So if I relate with a lot of masses, at the end of the day, it's individuality that brings out the numbers. So you know, if I come up with videos with low energy, looking shagala bagala like today, you know, tired, I know this is not how I was taught. You know, I was taught to produce videos on a daily basis, no matter what. So the phrase was like, how was it? The phrase, but it ends with smile in the bank. Something, then smile in the bank. Like, take the pain now, but smile in the bank at the end of the month. Yes, that was the phrase, but I cannot remember. I have to go back to the videos and I check the phrase. So yes, coming with videos, you know, you have low energy, you're talking like as if you're tired or something, you know. Even if someone clicks in your video, they'll be bored. They'll be like, oh my god, this video is super boring, you know. See behind me the buildings. I wish, if you're watching this video and if you are in real estate, yeah, contact me so that we can do a video about these amazing apartments, you know. Especially where I'm staying, the apartments are really nice, you know. They are really great. And the sun, see the sun guys, yeah, it's the sunset. If I was in the seaside, if I was in the seaside, that would have been a very great shot, you know, very great shot. Let me try to see if I can record with my phone for Instagram. Actually, also in Instagram, it's been a while since I was active. But let me see if I can take a cool shot for Instagram. You see, that's the sunset. So guys, yes, I'm already back in the house. You see, this is how I began my video, showing you the view. You see the sea is there, the bridge, this is Heat Bridge, it's over there. And actually I didn't go to the swimming pool, I just did my workout. Then I went down to the mini market to get some supplies, and then I came back because today is my off day. So I just want to take some nap. This is a short video, you know, just to keep the channel moving and going. I hope you guys, you're doing well. Just pray for us, the people who are in the Middle East, you know. It's a really tough situation at the moment, but we hope everything is gonna be okay. And yeah guys, thank you for watching this video. Please give it a like, leave a comment, you know. If you want to reach out, you can check in the description below. All my contact details, they are there. You can write me, you can text me. I have a different phone, you can text me on WhatsApp. Purely that number is for YouTube. Yes. And there, I have a video whereby I was walking in this land. Yeah, you can check it out. It was around 31st of January. check my video of 31st January. You'll be able to see when I was walking around this land. And so guys, thank you so much for clicking in. See you in the next one. Capiche, bye bye, and I love you all.